Hi, my name is Michael Nagarathanam, and this is my project on externship. I was at a company named Arcadis, and they're focused mainly on civil engineering, and the branch of civil engineering that they do is mainly transportation engineering and structural engineering. Now, let's look at what Arcadis looks like at Jacksonville. So Arcadis is located on Prudential Drive. It's downtown, and this is what it looks like from the street view. Behind it is a parking lot, and Arcadis is located on the 4th floor. It's the building on the right. So yeah, as I said before, Arcadis of Jacksonville is located on Prudential Drive, and which is downtown. And if you can see that picture right there, it says improving the quality of life, and that is Arcadis's motto, or their saying there, and that's what they're dedicated on doing. So I worked with the transportation department mainly, which meant learning how to design roads and how to manage traffic at different areas at different points of the day. So we did most of our work in MicroStation, which is a software, and it's really great because it allows you to build your roads and designs on the computer and then print them out in maybe aerial views or 2D mode. And I did some work in 3D modeling, which is really cool. It is what it sounds like. You build your designs straight on 3D, and many engineers there told me that that was going to be the future of engineering, and it's really new, and so new that some of them are learning it for themselves, so I get to get that experience there. And over the course of these 2 semesters I get to look at a lot of projects, including 9B, First Coast Expressway, but mainly the Tampa project, which I'll talk about later. So here's a picture of my desk and the computers that I worked on. So there's a computer on my left and 2 monitors right there. It's great having 2 monitors. All the engineers have it at Arcadis. There's a special plug that plugs into both monitors, allows you to basically use 2 monitors as one and slide your documents or projects on one or search stuff up on another. It's really convenient. And there's my laptop on the right, just for my reference. Here's a picture of me at my desk. Here's something I recently worked on. It's called Always Stop Control, and what that is, it's a signalized 4-way intersection, and I'm working on how to manage traffic at different points of the day and how to control traffic. Say people are going from northbound and maybe turning into westbound, stuff like that, and managing traffic during PM hours, which is when people are coming home from work and traffic can get crazy, so that's what I'm working on. So here's a picture of my sponsor, Walter Nimacek. Walter is a senior project manager at Arcadis, and one of the goals he has for his employees is to always take challenges, and what that means in engineering is that they're going to always take the hardest and big job. See, most engineering companies are okay with just doing the same project and going buy to buy on easy projects, but Walter wants to change it up a lot. He wants to challenge his employees and have them just excel at what they do. And Walter has really helped me at Arcadis with learning software and giving me a clear mindset on engineering. And if you can see there, his desk is really messy. He's always working on something, and Walter's really helped me a lot. So to work at Arcadis, what you need is at least a bachelor in civil engineering, which means 4 years at college, and you would be taking all kinds of classes such as chemistry, calculus, and physics, a lot of math and science. And some things that can relate to civil engineering include environmental engineering and chemical engineering. We need environmental engineers to go sample the soil or maybe the place that we're looking to construct things on. And most civil engineers can make anywhere from $50,000 to $130,000, and that just varies. So this is a Tampa project that I've worked on most of my 2 semesters. This is only a picture on Google Maps since their designs are confidential, but essentially we're going to reconstruct this entire intersection. It's when Highway 4 meets 275, and this is right in the heart of downtown Tampa near the airport. So they have a crash there at least once a week,
and a lot of traffic. So Arcadis has the full responsibility of constructing uh, the new design, and then they're gonna sell it to the contractor. They've actually won all parts of the project, so this is all theirs. And the total cost that this is gonna cost is gonna be about $3 billion. The expected construction time is gonna take probably 10 to 12 years. It's a lot. So if we take an angled look at it, we can see there's different elevations. So the final project is going to have about 4 different elevations and different roads on top of each other, and they're going to have to reconstruct everything on top of the existing roadways and then tear the existing roadways off. So it's going to take a while, but hopefully in 10 to 15 years, if you guys are down in Tampa and you're in this intersection, you can see for yourself what I looked at basically 2 semesters long.
Being in the externship program at Arcadis has given me a clear vision for what I want to study in college. Transportation engineering is really cool, and I love the environment at Arcadis. All the people I worked with were really nice and willing to help me. I learned a lot of communication skills as well as software skills in MicroStation. This is something I would want to do for the rest of my life. The people at Arcadis are already willing to give me a future internship, and they gave me their contact info as I was leaving if I ever needed anything. When I was leaving, they said, "See you soon," and I really want to work there when I finish college. This program has put great people into my life and has given me some great experience.